TCT Circular Saw Blades Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global TCT circular saw blades market size will be $3,815.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5% from 2024 to 2031. North America TCT circular saw blades market size of $1,526.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe TCT circular saw blades market size of $1,144.56 million. Asia Pacific TCT circular saw blades market size of $877.50 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America TCT circular saw blades market size of $190.76 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa TCT circular saw blades market size of $76.30 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.